Procreate tips part 14. Today I'm gonna show you how you make a snake brush like this one. First you have to make a canvas. It has to be a perfect square. I use 2048 x 2048. Then you go to drawing guide and make a symmetry. Then you make some helping lines and draw in your scales. I like to make a difference, so 5 on the bottom, 4 on the top. Then make sure that it always ends, so you can use the automatic selection tool and shade in some shadings. Then same thing for the top one and draw in some lines so it looks a little bit better. Then you have to click on adjustment, saturation down, brightness darker, and then click on settings, add, and then copy canvas.